Welcome to Defense News Plus. Today's update is regarding T-90 tank. Indian Army has issued tender for acquiring 800 active protection system for T-90 tank, which is the main battle tank for our armored division. And India will be using this tank up to 2050. So it needs to be upgraded in modern standard, less with indigenous technology and updated system. Indian Army decided to give preference Indian companies first in this tender. These tanks will be featured with both soft skill and hard kill capabilities. Normally in soft kill capabilities, we don't directly fight with enemy. It is mainly used to cheat our enemy or blind our enemy, and its weapon capabilities through smoke discharge or ultra-red jamming system. This kind of soft skill method is used to camouflage from the enemy tank's side. In this situation, enemy tanks can track our tanks, and taking this opportunity or advantage, our tank can fire upon enemy's tank. Apart from this, if enemy tanks fire targeting our tanks, then a system alert us detecting this. That is also called soft skill system. In hard kill system, if enemy tank normally fires upon our tank or launch anti-tank guided missile, then we have also countermeasure in our tank to stop enemy tanks firing or anti-tank guided missile. Then counter interceptor system is launched, and after being fired from our tanks, interceptor blast hitting to the enemy projectile or anti-tank guided missile before hitting to our tanks. Thus enemy ATGM or anti-tank guided missile is destroyed or neutralized. In another update regarding BrahMos, a new version of BrahMos will be made, of which speed is more than 4.5 Mach. It will destroy its target at a speed of 4.5 Mach. This variant of BrahMos family will be named as BrahMos X. BrahMos Aerospace CEO and Managing Director Dr. Sudhir Mishra has announced in a seminar about this update. Dr. Mishra also announced that using current BrahMos hardware and ramjet engine, it will be modified in such a way that will cruise at a speed of more than 4.5 Mach. Using the hardware of current BrahMos cruise missile, it will give a stream performance. That is why it is named as BrahMos X. On the other hand, BrahMos 2 will be developed as hypersonic missile, different from BrahMos X, and will be featured with scramjet engine. Baseline BrahMos cruise missile can hit the target up to 290 km at a speed of 3.2 Mach, and as per BrahMos ER, the range of BrahMos cruise missile will be increased up to 600 km. In future, the range will be further extended to 800 km. BrahMos Aerospace is not only working on range, they are trying to increase the speed also. To this direction, BrahMos Aerospace has been developing BrahMos X, of which speed will be Mach 4.5. Cruise missile has two stages. First stage with solid rocket booster cruises the missile up to that speed, where the second stage ramjet engine can start from. We all know that ramjet engine can start from speed 0. To start ramjet engine, it requires a booster engine which provides initial velocity to ramjet engine to start. First stage solid rocket booster does this work in BrahMos cruise missile to provide initial velocity to ramjet engine. In second stage of BrahMos missile, liquid fuel is used. Burning this liquid fuel with compressed air inside ramjet engine, required thrust is generated. That is why this missile cruises at very high speed. BrahMos X will be developed by doing some changes in this method. Dr. Mishra did not clear about the speed and range of the missile, whether it will be up to 600 km or not. At this speed, if this missile covers 290 km also, It will be very hard for any radar to track this missile at this level of speed, and also almost impossible to intercept this missile. If this range is up to 600 km and neutralize any target at 4.5 Mach, then it will give Indian Army and Special Power in a very good capability. That's it for the day. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.